Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Now on TikTok you can basically see and check that which person on TikTok has viewed your TikTok profile. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes when you try it for yourself, and kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So for this you need to open up TikTok first, and then you need to tap on your profile image on your profile at the bottom right here, and then at the top right here you can see this steps icon here. Okay, so if you tap on this one here you can see profile views, and these are the profiles that have recently viewed my profile here. Okay, so this is the option here. You need to get into your profile and then tap on these steps option, and then it will show you all the accounts that has been recently viewing your TikTok profile. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.